What's up, everybody? This is Kevin from Steady Garage. We're over here at the AIM Expo at the Anaheim Convention Center. We're kicking off 2026 with a lot of new and exciting things. So come check out our booth. I'm gonna walk around and show you what we got here. This is our Auto Dex project, named by my son, who at the time was 3 years old, but now he's 4. It's a hot dog, a little hot dog, you know, because he carries it around, and he saw this and he's like, yo, this is Auto. And we're like, yeah, this is gonna be Auto Dex, and that's the name, it stuck. This little rotor is the rear rotor for the GROM. It's made by Forward Brake System, and we're really excited to bring it to the market and show you guys what Forward Brake is all about. They carry a full line of rotors and brake pads from V-twin, sports bike to mini moto. And look at this big old rotor right here. This thing is massive. It's as big as the front of the GROM wheel. Only for a Harley Davidson heavy ass bike. So stay tuned. We're gonna add products as we receive them onto our website, and we're super excited to have you run them. This is our MAVENGROM project. It's a 2025 Honda GROM that we reimagined, cleaned up the lines a little bit, did a custom rear seat, dual exhaust, Gears Racing suspension, G-Craft swing arm, 3-piece wheel. It's a nice cruiser, Kenda tires. It's like street legal race slick pretty much. Right here is the ONYX RCR 80 volt. This is a fast e-bike with pedals, so it's actually street legal. For the most part, we put new rims on there. It's a 3-piece Chimera 17-inch rim, FAR 245 millimeter brake rotor, and we also upgraded the brake caliper. Suspension from Gears Racing, so this thing rides really good. Custom seat upholstery from our friend Roger from Rogelio's Auto Upholstery. Here we have all of Gears Racing suspension. They're H2P with the hydraulic preload on the rear shock. So this is actually for the GROM or mini moto. This is probably the most advanced rear shock that you can get for the bike. Fully adjustable, rebound, compression, spring preload. Looks beautiful. Everything's like fully CNC, so there's no cast parts on here at all. Front fork, these are super lightweight. The reason why is that the fork extension tube is actually made from aluminum, so that's a good weight saving. And the good thing is it actually could fit onto the ONYX RCR with just a little bit of work, but we'll get more into that. This project is insane. This is owned by Mike Vetarnian. He 100% built this bike. We helped him out wherever we could, but he did such amazing work on this. From the SMR dry clutch to the full SMR CNC billet engine case, dual overhead cam, 4-valve cylinder or a 4-valve head, Brembo race brake system, Gears Racing suspension, PMT slicks. Like this whole frame is all made by Over Racing. It's pretty much a street legal track bike that he takes on the mountain, the winding road, and occasionally he'll hit up the go-kart track. So that's our booth for the AIM Expo. We're looking forward to bringing you more stuff for 2026. It's going to be an exciting year. We have Super Sunday coming up, the Smoky Mountain Small Boy Rally, and a bunch of other events such as rider blocks and all that. So be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and also subscribe on our YouTube channel, which we're gonna do our best to kind of launch more videos, more tutorial, and more information to you guys. It's a lot of work, but we're working on it. Even if we suck, you can let us know. It's all good.